at Kanaka Creek Regional Park in Maple Ridge, BC. Today we're going to talk about plants and pollinators, so turn up your volume. We can see a lot of different flowers blooming in the spring, all different shapes and colors. I wonder, why do plants create flowers? First, let's explore and see what's blooming up the trail. Take a closer look at this one. This is vanilla leaf. We can see it has 3 large leaves and a fascinating cluster of flowers. Vanilla leaf is found from BC all the way to California, and it gets its name from the smell of its dried leaves, just like vanilla. Here we have false lily of the valley. We can tell by its shiny heart or arrow-shaped leaves and white flower cluster. They bloom mid-May and their flowers emit a strong, sweet scent. And what do you notice about this flower? It resembles a heart. Pacific bleeding heart has soft and feathery leaves. If we take a closer look, you can see the white seed pods in their flower. Ants love the oily part of the seed. This one is called Devil's Club. It has large, broad leaves. You can see its small white flower in the center starting to bloom. Be very careful not to touch this plant as it can irritate our skin. It has prickly spines that help protect it, but luckily they don't keep away the pollinators. When we visit the park, we can hear lots of buzzing all around us. The bees are busy, but what are they doing and why are they there? Flowers are a plant's tool. They create them to reproduce. With the help of pollinators like the bumblebee, pollen is transferred from flower to flower. Once pollen reaches the stigma inside the flower, a plant can start developing seeds. Let's take a closer look. Have you ever seen salmonberry before? We'll use it as an example. What do you notice when you look at this flower? I see 5 pink petals and a yellow center. The stamen, in the center, actually produces the pollen. There's also some sweet nectar that attracts hummingbirds, bees, and other insects. Pollination allows fruit to grow. This is the start of a salmonberry. It starts out green, but soon they will ripen into brightly colored berries that are an important food source for wildlife. Let's take a look at this flower to fruit transformation again, this time with Thimbleberry. So what's all the buzz about? Well, did you know we have over 5,000 types of native bees in North America, and our native bees are 3 times better pollinators? This one looks like a honeybee. It's dancing around the flower in search of nectar, and pollen is collecting on its hind legs. We call this the pollen basket. Take a closer look. Can you see it? Bees are so important. 1 in 3 bites of food that we eat is made possible by bees, who pollinate our food crops and the plants that feed farm animals. They also pollinate trees and wildflowers, which in turn provide food and homes for other animals. Try searching in your own backyard for pollinators. Can you find any other types of pollinators, like butterflies, ladybugs, beetles, or hummingbirds? To help help out at home, plant different native flowers and let your grass grow longer to provide habitat. Also, stay away from harmful chemicals. You can also search for plants and pollinators at the park, but remember, parks are protected spaces. Please remember not to pick or take anything home from the park. Explore with kindness, create memories, but leave only footprints. Have fun!